guys, it's Candy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have a unboxing for you. This is actually supposed to be my February Flawless Over 40 box, but I did get an email from them that they had some delays because of the snowstorm in Texas, and that I would be getting a March and April box instead. It is April, and I am just getting my March box. So hopefully I'll be getting another one soon in April and that they can get things back on track, and I hope everything is okay with them. But this is going to be my second Flawless Over 40 box. This is a box handcrafted, handmade skin products for women over 40 or aging. I really enjoyed my first box, and I am excited to open this up with you. So obviously you can already see this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Here is the inside. Most of the brand, you see this at the top, it says Bougie Flamme. This is the brand that most of the products were in my last box. So I believe this is a independently run company, and they make all of their own skin products, but I am not an expert on this. This is only my second box, so we will go through this and see what we have. Okay, so the first thing you get is this little postcard, and it does say snap a pic and tag us on Instagram at Bougie Flamme and share with your friends. And this side says, look at you, honey, you are flawless. Your beauty is as timeless as Cleopatra's. You exude the regalness of Queen Nefertiti. You deserve everything in this box. It was curated with you in mind, especially. XO, XO, Aunt Bougie. Being said, let's go ahead and see what we got in this box. All right, so the first thing I have is a skincare headband. Great for keeping your hair back while applying your skincare products. And I'll go ahead and open this for you. Okay, so here is the headband, purple headband. It does have this Velcro, so you can kind of adjust the size of it. It's kind of just like maybe a terry cloth, I would say. So that's nice, I'll use that. And then let's go on. This says firming serum caps. Helps to, I do not have my glasses on. I don't know why I don't wear my glasses in these videos. All right. Helps to lift and reshape the appearance of maturing skin. The serum boosts hydration, and its texture provides a silky effect on skin. Directions: twist off small cap at top of capsule and apply to desired areas. Sorry, my eyes sometimes I feel like I can see just fine, and then the next time I can't see anything. So it has 2 capsules in there. Then this next item says a fruit smoothie moisturizing face cream. Let's do this. It doesn't really have too much of a scent. It does feel really good going on the skin. I like it. So, a face cream. And then anti-aging serum with vitamins B5, C, and E. Hydrates and evens skin tone. Helps regenerate cells, minimizes water loss, and reverses damage caused by UV rays. Bougie Flamme, hopefully I'm not butchering that name, Naturals. So, the anti-aging serum. And this box is, I think it might be, it's a bi-monthly box, and I think it may be $37, but then you can, like I did 4 months worth, and I think it brings it down to like $34 a month. And then you can also do like 6 months worth. That will bring it down a little bit more. I'm not sure what that price is. This does come with a bar of soap also, and I had one I said last time that I'm still using, and I really enjoy it. And this one is a rose clay. And it is this pretty rose color. My last one was packaged very similar to this. So that's 4 items. And then we have a Cashmere Glow Luxury Body Mist. And this says, shake before each use, spray on body as desired, keep out of reach of children, discontinue use if irritation occurs. I do remember last time I did get a candle too, now that I'm thinking about it. So, whoops, sorry. And a lotion, now that I'm remembering, because I remember this name, Cashmere. I had a lotion that I am still using and enjoying. I've liked all of their products, so check them out. I am assuming, and I can link a website below, I'm assuming it is Bougie Flamme is the name of the company, and but I can link that in the description if you guys are interested in checking it out. I think it's always good to kind of support some of our local independent businesses, especially this day and age. So, oh, this looks nice. This is a cleanser, a facial cleanser, and it just says apple amino acids. So I don't really need a cleanser right now, but it's nice. This is kind of just a little bottle of it. So we'll check it out. And then the last item that we have is a refreshing facial mist toner, cucumber apple. And I love these refreshing facial mists. I have had several and in different brands, and they're so nice. I mean, in the middle of the day, you're just tired, and I like to grab that facial spray and just kind of, it really does just kind of give you a little bit of a lift in the middle of the day. It does seem to help. So anyways, I don't know if I said this is cucumber apple. So definitely be trying that out. And something is going on in my house. Usually there's basketballs bouncing, and my son's room is above. So if you hear that noise, that's what that is. So that is it for this box. I will try to try all these products and review them at a later time in a video, maybe with an empties video. I haven't really done one of those yet, but I kind of want to, just so that you can get the after of review, I guess, of the products. So I do have one more thing for you today. I'm going to go ahead and show you my Roxbox really quickly. And Roxbox is a jewelry subscription company, and you pay $21 a month and you get 3 items of jewelry to try out for as long as you would like. And then when you're ready for a new set, you can return them, and they'll send you a new one. So if you decide that you want to purchase one of the items, you do get that rental fee back, so the $21 off, but I believe you only have 11 days to use that $21 towards a purchase. And then it just goes on as your rental fee if you don't purchase anything. There's also ways to get some extra bonus money off of things. I think maybe when you make a purchase, you might get some money off of a future box, or when you review. I'm not sure, but I do know there are ways to get some extra cash off of your jewelry. They also have clearance items, and you can look through and kind of pick and choose things that you would like to receive. I don't take much time in doing that, so I kind of get what they send me. But there are perks if you do get on there and put stuff in like your shopping cart. You get, I think, like after so many, you get like $5 off of some jewelry. So anyways, that being said, I was kind of an afterthought of doing this Roxbox, so I don't really necessarily have everything together. So bear with me. First item that we have, I didn't put any of this on. I just saw it sitting here and thought, oh, I should do that while I am sitting here. So the first item that I have is a Sophie Harper birthstone necklace in June. So here is this one of these little like kind of bar necklaces. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to see that little stone. I don't even know. There we go. So it's a cute necklace. I like that. So the next, so that was $42. This Slate Nova pendant. I actually wore this the other day, but I know that I'm not going to keep this. I don't know. It's cute. It's not gonna show with this shirt because it's too, probably too much floral, but there it is. I just wanted to show you kind of how long it hangs. It's cute. Just, I don't want too much jewelry at home. I don't wear it that often. I like once in a while to throw something on, but I think that's why I kind of like this rental thing, to just see what I'm gonna grab through the month or if it just sits there. But if I'm not gonna wear it, I just don't want it around my house at this point. So that one is $34. It looks like all of these may have been on sale. Yeah, because it says this, the first one would have been 50, but it's 42. And then this Slate one was originally 40 and is now 34. And then we have a bracelet that is a Rudiment Lombard slider bracelet that was 60 and is now 51. And I will get that out for you real quick. And this is super cute. But here's, you know, I like when they kind of slide like that. It makes it easy to get on and off. And then let me show you this real quick. It's just kind of a little zigzag with some rhinestones and then the bracelet in gold. So super cute. That is my Roxbox jewelry for this month. I don't know how much time I have left to decide if I'm going to purchase something or not, and I haven't really decided if I'm going to purchase anything. So let me know what you think of these jewelry items. And the Flawless Over 40. I always want to say Fabulous Over 40. It's Flawless Over 40 subscription box by Bougie Flamme. So that's it, guys. I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.